Hello students, how are you? Myself Dr. Varun Maru, Assistant Professor of Political Science. Student, today we are discuss about the very important topic of BA first year in our subject Political Science. Today we are discuss about the important topic, and this topic is government. So what is the meaning of government? What is the definition of the government? It is a simple definition of the government that it is political and legal institution which is rule the country, meaning it is the political and legal institution which is the rule the country according to the constitution. So government is a political and legal institution and it is the rule in the all country according by the Indian constitution. It is the political and legal, it is the political and legal institution and rule the all country according to the Indian constitution. So it is called to government. Clear? Second is, what is the organs of government? What is the organs of the government? What is the meaning of organs? Organs or parts. What is the organs of the government, or what is the parts of the government? For example, organs of our human body. What is the organs of our human body? Nose, fingers, eyes, ears. These are the organs of our human body. So these three types of the organs of the government. Number one is executive, number two is legislature, and number third is judiciary. So number one is executive, and what is the main work of the executive? Implementation of the law. Executive emphasize on the implementation of the new law making by the Parliament of India. Clear? So what is the main work of executive? Executive main work is that implement of the law. And what is the example of executive? The example of executive is that number one is Indian President, number two is Indian Prime Minister, and number third is Indian Cabinet, PM Cabinet. Clear? Number second is legislature. So what is the meaning of legislature? Legislature is emphasis on the making of the law. Legislature emphasize on making of the law. And what is the example of legislature? The Parliament of India is the important example of legislature of India. Indian Parliament is the example of legislature. Clear? So what is the main work of legislature? Making of the new law. And Parliament is the example of legislature. It is the second organ or part of the government. Number third is judiciary. So what is the main work of judiciary? It is emphasized on the prevention of law and fundamental rights. An example of judiciary is Supreme Court and High Court. Supreme Court and High Court of the India. Clear? So it is the third important organ of the government, and judiciary emphasize on the prevention of the law. And for the example, Supreme Court and High Court. Clear? In the other side, what is the parts of government? Number one is democratic, number two is dictator, and number third is communist. Number one is democratic, number two is dictator, and number third is communist. So what is the meaning of democratic government? What is the meaning of democratic government? Basically emphasize on the public power, people's power, public sovereignty, people's sovereignty. And democratic government emphasize on the election process, right, liberty, equality, justice. Clear? So democratic government emphasize on the public sovereignty, the power of the public, and government elected by the peoples in the election. Clear? So in all over the world, 80% countries stabilized. In all over the world, 80% countries stabilized and adopted the democratic political system in their country. For example, India, America, Australia, New Zealand, etc. Clear? Number second is types of the government, parts of the government. Number second is dictatorship. It is the types of the government, not the parts of the government. It is the types of the government. Clear? It is the types. It is the types of the government. It is the types of the government. Types. It is the types of the government. Number one is democratic. Number second is, it is the types of the government. Number second is dictator. So what is the meaning of dictator's government? Dictator government emphasize on the one ruling system. For example, the kingdom of Aurangzeb, Mughal Empire. For example, in modern world, North Korea, Hitler, clear. Dictator country not emphasize on the election process, not emphasize on the fundamental rights. Dictator country emphasize only one dictator power in all over the country. Clear. There are no any type of election process and voting power of the people of the country. And number third is communist. Number third is communist types of government. What is the meaning of communist types of government? Communist government basically emphasize on the Marxism, and Marxism basically adopted the equality, justice, and right for the farmers and laborers and lower class of the country. So communist political system emphasize on the election, but there are only consist only one political party, Marxist party. For example, China. For example, North Korea. For example, Cuba. Cuba and China is the most important example of communist party political system. Clear? So it is a clear. It is a topic of government. I repeat this. What is the government? Government, it is the political and legal institution which is the rule the country according to the constitution. Next is what is the organs of the government? There are three organs of the government. Number one is executive. Executive basically focus on the implement of the new law. An example of executive is Indian President and Indian PM and his cabinet. Number second is legislature. Legislature is the emphasis on the making of the law, and for example Indian Parliament. And number third is judiciary. Judiciary basically emphasize on the prevention of the law. Prevention of the law, for example, Supreme Court and High Court. And what is the types of the government? There are three types, mainly types of the government in all over the world. Number one is democratic. Number one democratic. Number second dictator, and number third is communist. Democratic government emphasize on the democratic political system and power of the election and the power of the people power, public sovereignty, and change by the voting behavior and change by the election process from the old government to new government. Democratic government emphasizes on the liberty, equality, right, and justice, and given the right to the people of the country, civilians of the country. Number second is dictatorship. Dictatorship basically emphasizes on the one power man, one army system. For example, North Korea and Hitler. And dictatorship government not emphasize on the rights and election process. There no consist any opposition party. Number third is Communist Party. Communist Party emphasizes on the Marxism, and Marxism emphasizes on the equality, justice, right for the lower class of the society, especially farmers and laborers. And example of this Communist Party political system is China and Cuba. Clear, student? So today we have discussed about the government for the BA exam, political science. Clear? So please subscribe, share and subscribe and comment in this particular video. Okay? Clear? Thank you.